guys, welcome to my channel. This is your friend Isha. In this video, I'll be showing you about the app PhotoPip. So I'll start the series of three of them, that is PhotoPip, Pip Camera and Pip Collage Maker. So today's topic is about PhotoPip. So let's get started. So first of all, you will need to download it from the Play Store. So let's open the Play Store. So now you need to search PhotoPip. So we'll be searching about the PhotoPip, and you can see there are many available. You need to download this one, and I have already downloaded it, so you need to open it now. So you can see the logo, and it comes Pip, Square, Blender, Scrapbook, Collage and Mirror. But the main one is about Pip because it is a Pip maker. So we'll click on the Pip, and you need to select some of the images. So likewise, I'm just sharing one image, so you can share how much you want. But in the Pip one, only one can be shared. In Collage, you can share as much you want. So a ad will come, you need to close it, and you can see that you also have to adjust the photo according to that. But I want to just change some another Pip. So you can see the Pips which are available. I'll show all. This aquarium is gorgeous. This bottle looks marvelous because it just have a realish effect. But I didn't like this one because it is not so good. This zipper one is good, but for only the friend photo. This is not looking so good on this photo, and this is the best one I liked. You can check in the Instagram. I have many photos which I had made from the Pip. I'll share my Instagram ID down. Next is this I loved. This is for the couple photo or the photo of the single one. This is an Apple photo, but the filter is not so good. This phone one is gorgeous. This cup look really nice. This mirror is also good, but not that good. This jar is really fantastic. You can see this heart. This is for Valentine Day or some. This looks good. This book one isn't nice. You need some good photo, then only it'll fix. And also you need a small photo. A full face photo can't come here. This teardrop one is really realish look. It have a elastic look and it's fabulous. You can see this looks really real and have a nice effect. I like this. This ball one is also good, and there are many more filters which I liked, and one of them is this one, the water one. So I'll just choose the first one, this aquarium one, and you need to just stick it up. And next is the replace option. If you want to replace some foreground, background, or you don't want to. I don't want to because it's marvelous. So filter, if you want a filter for your foreground, background, or you have an exit option, and I'll just exit because I love this one. Next is the sticker option. You need to close. You can see there are many types of stickers. Go back, there are some Santa stickers. Next are some bunny or the hashtag stickers. They are marvelous. So but I don't need any of them because this is really good. And text you need, I'll just write me in an aquarium. Me in an aquarium. So you can just also change the font. You can just see cursive is really good, but I just liked this Lorraine script. That's really nice. You have some settings, you can change it according to your wish, but here it doesn't looks really nice, so I'll just do it black. That will look really good. So you need to just tick. So you can share it, delete it, or you can just do that open with gallery, AZ image view, best hairstyles means the one I just installed it. I have Snapseed also, and that is really good app. I'll be sharing that. So you can just open with any of them. I always open with the gallery, and you can see how beautiful is it. So you can also share it to many more, like Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, or any app you use. So only this much for this video, and but before leaving this video topic, I'll just request you to just like, share, and comment this video, and also subscribe to my channel to reach million subscribers fast. So guys, and just I'll like to tell you that there is a bonus tip for this one, that if you will download this, you have to just set some privacies over there. You had many choices of adding something, and slowly and steadily when you use it, the filters increase. That just changed to a marvelous app. So you can just download it, use it for 3 to 4 days. You will see that the filters are going to change. There are more many filters, like in Snapchat the filters keep updating, and many more things you will come to know. And if you have some doubt, you can just tell me in the comment box. I'll surely solve that, and I'll meet you in my next video with the next part of this pip editor apps. And the next will be my pip photo editor, or the collage maker type app, that is really good. So bye guys. So I just have picked it up. So this is only the one you need to do. So bye bye.